how to change username in Snapchat. So if you want to change your username, then all you have to do is first of all open up your Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat, on the upper left corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile, and from here on the upper right corner you will have settings. Tap on settings, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have an option which says username. Tap on that, and from here you can tap on change username. So your username can only be changed once a year. Once you change your username, no one will be able to claim your old one, including you. So if you want to continue, then you can tap on continue, and here you remove all this, choose a username that you would like. After choosing, you will have next option. Tap on next, and for security reasons you have to enter your Snapchat password, and after entering your password you can tap on confirm. And that's it guys, that's how you change your username in Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.